Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gems NY. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of gemstones. Ever wondered if that rock you picked up on your vacation is a real gemstone or just a shiny piece of glass? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we're going to show you 5 gemstone tests that anyone can do at home to determine if your gemstone is the real deal. So, let's get started. First up, we have the scratch test. This is one of the simplest ways to test a gemstone's hardness. You'll need a set of reference materials, such as a steel file, a ceramic plate, or even a piece of glass. Gemstones have different levels of hardness, which means some are harder and more scratch-resistant than others. For instance, diamonds are incredibly hard, while softer stones like pearl are easily scratched. Gently scratch your gemstone with the reference material. If it scratches, it's a softer stone. If it doesn't, your gemstone is harder. Just be careful with this test, as it can potentially damage your gem. Next, let's talk about the water test. This is a quick and easy way to check if a gemstone is a genuine gemstone or just a piece of glass. Simply fill a glass with water and drop your gemstone in. Real gemstones generally have a higher density than water, so they will sink quickly. If your gemstone floats or remains suspended, it's likely not a genuine gemstone. This test isn't foolproof, but it's a great start. Now, let's move on to the magnification test. For this, you'll need white paper and a jeweler's loupe or a magnifying glass. Look at your gemstone closely for any imperfections or inclusions. Place your gemstone on the white paper and look at it carefully with a magnifying glass. Genuine gemstones often have natural inclusions or imperfections, while synthetic stones might be too perfect. For example, emeralds usually have tiny flaws, called inclusions. If your gemstone is completely flawless, it might be synthetic. But remember, some natural gems can also be flawless, so use this test alongside others. Next, let's talk about the flashlight test. This test helps you see how light interacts with your gem. It's super easy and requires just a flashlight. Hold the flashlight close to your gemstone and observe how light passes through it. Genuine gemstones, especially transparent ones like sapphires or emeralds, will usually display a brilliant play of light. You might see a range of colors or a particular sheen. If your gemstone looks very dull or doesn't refract light well, it might be an imitation. This test is great for spotting imitations like cubic zirconia that often have a different light performance compared to real gemstones. Next, we have the magnet test. This is a quick way to check if your gemstone contains any metallic elements. You'll need a small, strong magnet for this test. Simply bring the magnet close to your gemstone and see if it attracts. Genuine gemstones generally don't respond to magnets. However, some synthetic gemstones or imitation stones might contain metal components that will be attracted to the magnet. Keep in mind that this test isn't foolproof for every gemstone type, but it can help rule out certain imitations. And there you have it, 5 gemstone tests anyone can do at home. Remember, these tests are fun and give you a starting point, but if you want a definitive answer, it's always best to consult a professional gemologist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and keep sparkling.